There will be no doubts if we say that Donald Trump has been one of the most controversial presidents of United States. People started talking good and bad about him since the day he became president. Today we are going to talk about some of accomplishments and failures of Donald Trump as president of United States. Let's talk about some of the accomplishments made by Donald Trump as president. Number 1 is Space Force. Trump officially established the sixth branch of US Armed Forces named the Space Force. Space Force is the first military service since 1947 when US Air Force was created. Space Force is the part of US military which performs military missions in space. Number 2. Tax Reform. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act was the largest overhaul of the tax code in 3 decades. The President Donald Trump said it as rocket fuel to the American economy. The corporate tax rates were slashed from 35% to 21%. Number 3. Defeating ISIS. In late October 2019, a raid by US military led to death of ISIS leader Baghdadi. Baghdadi was one of the world's most wanted terrorists, and his death represented as the major blow to the terrorist group. Number 1. Decline in America's global image. Trump has many times insulted US allies. Confidence in US leadership has declined significantly since Trump has become President of the United States. His many insulting remarks has brought significant downfall in US global image. Number 2. Impeachment. Trump has become the third president in US history to be impeached. The House approved 2 articles of impeachment against Trump. One for abuse of power over his dealings with Ukraine, and one for obstruction of Congress over his efforts to stonewall the impeachment inquiry. Number 3. Failed to fight with coronavirus. Coronavirus has affected the whole world. Many big countries were unable to fight against it, whereas on the other hand, many small countries were able to fight against coronavirus, and with their good leadership and management, they were able to win over coronavirus. The wrong policies of Donald Trump and the right actions were not taken at the right time, which led to make United States worst hit country by coronavirus. Around 1/4 of the coronavirus cases in world are from United States. Coronavirus has claimed most deaths from United States, and this will be one of the biggest failures of President Donald Trump. Number 4. Death of George Floyd. The death of George Floyd led to many protests to stop racism in the whole world. Donald Trump was unable to calm his people. Moreover, his remarks led to increase in protests. The protests took place at the time of coronavirus, which arose the caution of coronavirus. The President Donald Trump was also criticized for retweeting racist tweets. For more such news and information, please subscribe our channel cause your appreciation matters to us, and press that bell icon for notifications.